One of them that I want to ask you is you said that you're using, oh man, what did you say? You're using some kind of like machine learning to do the pitch decks, to do the
Yeah,
presentations?
so what we discovered, like I said, is that the most painful part, or the part where people get most distracted, and where they waste the most amount of time on a presentation is on the design. Why? Because you're presented on PowerPoint or Google Slides or whatever you're using. You're presented with this white canvas, and you have to figure out what you're going to say, so what content's going to go on that slide, and at the same time you have to figure out how it's going to look, the design, so how it's going to be laid out, if what's the title, what's the what goes here, what images, font sizes, and doing those two at the same time, if you're not a graphic designer, is just incredibly distracting and not very efficient. So we proposed an interface where those are separated. So all you do is add the content, and you don't have visibility over the format. So you know this is a title, this is a paragraph, this image is going to go on the slide, but you don't. We kind of enforce that you don't care yet about how that's going to look. And then we created this artificial intelligence system that when you click it, it generates thousands of versions of that slide with that content and finds the best one. So we're looking for traits. The way it works, it's called a genetic algorithm. So it's like evolution. So imagine when evolution kind of reaches the perfect whale or the perfect dog or the perfect human, right? So we're looking for the perfect slide, and that slide is a slide, and we define the traits of that perfect slide. So the AI generates 1,000 slides, and we look for the perfect one. So that's probably the one that has the most amount of space for text, that allows the image to be shown in a good size, that has everything lined up, that has the title where it should be, that's readable. So we iterate over that, and we kind of find the ideal slide. So that was the original premise of our product, which kind of worked well for that specific scenario.